Good morning. Today, the sound we're going to be looking at is the sound T. My turn, your turn. T, 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 T. Good, let's look at the picture that helps us to remember it. It's a tower. When you see this, say tower, and when you see this, say t. Here we go. Great. Fred's come out, is going to whisper some words in my ears. I'm going to sound them out and you're going to blend it and tell me the word. T-e-n. 10. T-op. Top. T-ip. Tip. T-ig. Tig. Good. It's time to play the game where we hide the T in our pile of cards. Here we go. Remember to point when you see it and to say all the sounds. X, A, S, T, D. Special friend, ng. Again, okay, one more time. Let's shuffle again. Here we go. T, X, D, ng. Excellent. Fred says it's time to do some Fred talking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, we're going to sound it out together and then we're going to blend it. T-op, top. T-ip, tip. Let's do some words with the T at the end. K-at, cat. K-ot, cot. K-it, kit. Good. Fred says you've done it so well. Let's do some Fred in the head, which means we're going to sound it out in our heads, and when I push it out, we're going to say it together. Kit. Cot. Tip. Cat. Top. Well done. Give yourselves a hip hip hooray. Good. That's us done our sound lesson. What I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to do your sheet. I'd like you to practice writing the T. Let's talk about it. Down the tower, across the tower. Down the tower, across the tower. Then I'd like you to read your 2 words and draw what you've read. And then the last thing I'd like you to do is I'd like you to spell 2 words. I would like you to spell the word 10. Remember to pinch your fingers. T-e-n, 3 sounds. And then last word is the word tap. T-a-p, tap. Then I'd like you to go around the house again and see if you can find 10 words that begin with a T. I would love to hear about it and you can tell me about it in our chat later. Bye.